Does Philips TV have Chromecast? Yes, many Philips smart TVs have built-in Chromecast, especially models running Android TV or Google TV. Chromecast allows users to wirelessly cast videos, music, and apps from their smartphones, tablets, or computers to the TV without needing extra cables. However, some older Philips TVs may not have this feature. 1. Chromecast support in Philips smart TVs. Philips Android TV and Google TV models come with built-in Chromecast, meaning you can cast content directly from your phone or laptop without an external device. However, some non-Android Philips smart TVs may not include Chromecast. 2. How to check if your Philips TV has Chromecast. To confirm if your Philips TV supports Chromecast, press the Home button on your remote. Go to Settings, then Apps, then See All Apps. Look for Chromecast built-in in the list. If available, your TV supports casting without an external Chromecast device. 3. How to use Chromecast on a Philips TV. To cast content from your phone or laptop, ensure your Philips TV and casting device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open an app like YouTube, Netflix, or Spotify on your phone. Tap the cast icon, square with Wi-Fi symbol in the app. Select your Philips TV from the list of available devices. The content will start playing on your TV. 4. Alternatives. If your Philips TV does not have Chromecast. If your Philips TV does not have built-in Chromecast, you can still cast content using Google Chromecast device. Plug into the HDMI port for full Chromecast functionality. Miracast or screen mirroring available on some Philips smart TVs for casting from Android and Windows devices. HDMI cable connection for direct screen mirroring from a laptop or smartphone. 5. Benefits of Chromecast on Philips TVs. Wireless streaming without additional cables. Supports multiple apps including YouTube, Netflix, and Disney+. Mirror your phone, tablet, or computer to the TV. Control the TV from your phone, even without a remote. Many Philips smart TVs have built-in Chromecast, making it easy to cast videos, music, and apps from mobile devices. If your TV lacks this feature, using an external Chromecast device is a simple alternative.